Section 1, Introduction to Instruction Sheets. Instruction sheets are essential components of competency-based learning modules, or CBLMs, providing learners with clear, concise, and structured guidance to acquire specific skills and knowledge. These sheets serve as roadmaps, guiding learners through the learning process and ensuring they achieve the desired competencies. Effective instruction sheets cater to diverse learning styles and preferences, facilitating a self-paced and individualized learning experience. They break down complex information into manageable chunks, making it easier for learners to understand and retain new concepts. Moreover, well-designed instruction sheets promote active learning by incorporating various interactive elements such as self-checks, quizzes, and practical exercises. This approach encourages learners to engage with the material actively, fostering deeper understanding and application of knowledge. In the following sections, we will delve into the different types of instruction sheets, guidelines for developing them, and specific tips for creating effective information sheets, a crucial component of CBLMs. Section 2. Types of instruction sheets. Instruction sheets come in various formats, each tailored to specific learning objectives and activities. Understanding the different types is crucial for selecting the most appropriate one for a particular learning task. Here are 4 common types of instruction sheets. First, the information sheet. It provides learners with essential information, concepts, and principles related to a specific topic. It aims to impart knowledge and understanding. Next, the task sheet. This guides learners through a specific task or procedure, outlining the steps involved and providing clear instructions for completion. Then, we have the operation sheet. It focuses on operating equipment or machinery, providing detailed instructions and safety precautions. And finally, the job sheet. This outlines the steps required to complete a specific job or work-related task, often used in vocational training. By understanding the purpose and structure of each type, instructors can effectively design instruction sheets that cater to the specific needs of their learners and the learning objectives of the CBLM. Section 3. Guidelines for developing instruction sheets. Developing effective instruction sheets requires careful planning and attention to detail. Here are some general guidelines to ensure clarity, conciseness, and learner engagement. First, identify the target audience. Consider the learner's prior knowledge, skills, and learning styles. Next, define clear learning objectives. State what learners should know or be able to do after completing the instruction sheet. Then, use clear and concise language. Avoid jargon, technical terms, and complex sentences. Structure information logically. Organize content into sections with headings and subheadings. Incorporate visuals. Use images, diagrams, and flowcharts to enhance understanding. Provide examples and scenarios. Illustrate concepts with real-world examples and relatable scenarios. Include self-checks and activities. Encourage active learning and reinforce understanding. Use a consistent format. Maintain a uniform layout, font style, and size throughout the instruction sheet. And finally, proofread carefully. Check for grammatical errors, typos, and inconsistencies. By adhering to these guidelines, instructors can create instruction sheets that effectively facilitate learning and support learners in achieving the desired competencies. Section 4. Characteristics of a good information sheet. Information sheets play a crucial role in CBLMs by providing learners with foundational knowledge. A well-designed information sheet exhibits the following characteristics. First, clarity and conciseness. The information is presented clearly and succinctly, avoiding unnecessary jargon or technical terms. Next, accuracy and relevance. The content is accurate, up-to-date, and directly relevant to the learning objectives. Then, logical organization. Information is structured logically, using headings, subheadings, and bullet points for easy navigation. Visual appeal. The layout is visually appealing, incorporating images, diagrams, and white space to enhance readability. Learner engagement. The information sheet includes interactive elements such as questions, examples, and case studies, encouraging active learning. And finally, accessibility. The language, font size, and layout are accessible to learners with diverse needs. By incorporating these characteristics, information sheets become valuable resources that support learners in acquiring and retaining essential knowledge. Section 5. Tips for writing information sheets. Writing effective information sheets requires attention to language, style, and clarity. Here are some practical tips to enhance the quality and impact of your information sheets. 1. Active voice makes sentences more concise and easier to understand. 2. Aim for an average sentence length of 15 to 20 words. 3. Break down information into digestible chunks. 4. Explain any technical terms or jargon clearly and concisely. 5. Connect concepts to practical applications and real-life scenarios. 6. Images, charts, and diagrams should complement the text and enhance understanding. 7. Errors in grammar and spelling can undermine credibility. By following these tips, instructors can create information sheets that are both informative and engaging, facilitating effective learning. Section 6. Structure of an information sheet. A well-structured information sheet guides learners through the material in a logical and organized manner. The following structure ensures clarity and comprehension. 1. Clearly state what learners should know or be able to do after studying the information sheet. 2. Provide a brief introduction to the topic, setting the context for the information presented. 3. Present the main information in a clear and concise manner using headings, subheadings, and bullet points. 4. Include questions or quizzes throughout the information sheet to allow learners to assess their understanding. 5. Provide answers to self-checks at the end of the information sheet or in a separate document. This structured approach ensures that learners can easily navigate the information sheet, grasp key concepts, and monitor their progress. Section 7. Assignment sheets for enhanced learning. Assignment sheets provide learners with structured tasks or activities to apply their knowledge and skills. They typically include: 1. Clearly describes the assignment's purpose. 2. Specifies the knowledge or skills learners will gain. 3. Provides step-by-step guidance for completing the assignment. 4. Lists any materials or references needed. 5. Outlines how the assignment will be graded or evaluated. 6. Specifies the due date, format, and submission method. Assignment sheets promote active learning, encourage critical thinking, and provide opportunities for learners to demonstrate their understanding. Section 8. Experiment sheets for practical application. Experiment sheets guide learners through scientific experiments or practical exercises, fostering hands-on learning. They typically include: 1. Experiment title, describes the experiment's objective. 2. Introduction, provides background information and the experiment's purpose. 3. Materials, list all necessary equipment and supplies. 4. Procedure, outlines the step-by-step instructions for conducting the experiment. 5. Observations, provides space for learners to record their findings. 6. Analysis, guides learners in interpreting their results and drawing conclusions. Experiment sheets encourage scientific inquiry, observation skills, and data analysis, fostering a deeper understanding of scientific principles. Section 9. Project planning sheets for complex tasks. Project planning sheets assist learners in breaking down complex projects into manageable tasks, promoting organization and time management. They typically include: 1. Project title, clearly defines the project's scope. 2. Project goals, outlines the desired outcomes. 3. Task breakdown, divides the project into smaller, manageable tasks. 4. Timeline, establishes deadlines for each task and the overall project. 5. Resources, identifies necessary materials, information, or support. 6. Evaluation, outlines how the project will be assessed. Project planning sheets foster project management skills, collaboration, and problem-solving, preparing learners for real-world challenges. Section 10. Worksheets for reinforcement and practice. Worksheets provide learners with opportunities to practice and reinforce their understanding of concepts. They typically include: 1. Worksheet title, identifies the topic or skill being practiced. 2. Instructions, provides clear directions for completing the worksheet. 3. Exercises, includes a variety of activities, such as multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, and matching exercises. 4. Answer key, provides answers for self-assessment. Worksheets offer a structured approach to practice, allowing learners to identify areas where they need further review or support. Section 11. Conclusion, empowering learners with effective instruction sheets. Effective instruction sheets are indispensable tools in competency-based learning modules, providing learners with clear guidance, structured activities, and opportunities for self-assessment. By understanding the different types of instruction sheets, following best practices for development, and incorporating learner-centered design principles, Instructors can create engaging and effective learning materials that empower learners to achieve mastery in their chosen fields. Remember, well-designed instruction sheets are not merely instructional materials, but facilitators of learning, guiding learners on their journey toward knowledge acquisition and skill development.